Let's move on and look at the quotient rule. So under the quotient rule, we have the formula that is stated there, the top left corner. So what you just have to do is apply whatever you're asked to calculate into that formula. So it's just a matter of choosing your u and your v, and in this case our u is 3x squared. Our u is that part of a fraction that is on the top part or the numerator, and our v is the denominator. So let's go ahead and just solve this simple question. So we're going to let u, let's say u is equal to 3x squared. What is du dx? Du dx is 6x. We differentiate u, and then v, our v is going to be sine x. We differentiate that dv dx is equal to cos x. And let's just go ahead and substitute those new findings into our formula. So d u over v with respect to x is equal to our v, that's sine x, multiplied by this du dx, 6x, minus u, which is 3x squared, multiplied by dv dx, which is cos x, all this over v squared. What is our v? Our v is sine x, all this squared. So d u over v dx equal 6x sine x minus 3x squared cos x, all over sine squared x. So this is our final answer. So that's all you need to know on quotient rule. You just have to take the numerator as your u, then you find du dx, take the denominator as v, you find dv dx, and you substitute into the formula. So let's move on to the product rule.